A devastating fire broke out on the national highway connecting Dras to Kargil in the Thasgam area after a suspected short circuit in the shop nearby. The blaze caused damages estimated to be worth several lakhs of rupees. The shop was engulfed in the flames. Swift response from the police, fire service professionals and the local residents helped bringing the fire under control and prevented it from spreading to the nearby structures. Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Kavinder Gupta urged global branding and value addition to Ladakh Pashmina to boost the artisans' income and revive youth interest in the Changthang. Visiting the industrial estate Leh, he encouraged entrepreneurship, inspected weaving and craft units and stressed using government schemes to promote the sustainable livelihoods and preserve Ladakh's artisanal heritage. At least 17 people were killed when a massive cloudburst struck a remote village in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district on Thursday. The disaster struck Chositi, the last motorable village en route to Machel Mata temple between 12 noon and 1 pm, when a large number of people had gathered for the annual Machel Mata Yatra. The 8.5-kilometer trek to the 9,500 feet high shrine begins from the Chositi. At least 17 people are confirmed dead due to the calamity that has led to the widespread damage. There are fears that the toll could rise further, officials have said, adding that 65 has been rescued so far. Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Kavinder Gupta has expressed the deep grief over the Kishtwar cloudburst and flash floods, offering the condolences to the bereaved families and praise for the injured. He lauded rescue teams' relentless efforts and prayed for the safety and well-being of all the residents in the affected areas. A solemn and spiritually significant Arba'in walk commenced from Astana Taisuru towards Astana Mir Hashim Karpokhar under the banner of Anjumane Sahiba Zaman, marking a heartfelt tribute to the sacrifices of Imam Hussain and his noble companions in the Karbala. The walking procession, attended by the large number of mourners and devotees, reflected unity, devotion, and the commitment to the values of truth, justice, and sacrifice. Participants engaged in the recitations of Nohas and Marsiyas, while banners and flags symbolizing the message of Karbala adorned the path. An accident of 16 Battalion ITBP bus took place near Gurgurdu Link Road, Batalik, while travelling between Leh and Kargil. Out of 24 personnel, 11 have suffered minor injuries and have been referred to Kargil Hospital. The cause of the accident is said to be brake failure. Further details are awaited.